upgrade this roundcube version, because of for now it is 1.3.6, the new version is 1.4.7. so let's upgrade the roundcube version. Before that, I'm going to create few emails to verify that after the upgrading we didn't lose any database or datas. So compose, I will send email to myself. Test email, send to myself and send. Okay, I am going to reply to myself again, reply all. Got it? Yeah, 2 emails in inbox and 2 emails in sent item. Okay, after the upgrading, these 4 emails, inbox and sent item, we accessed. First step to upgrade the roundcube, take backup of your old roundcube configuration file. So cd var library leave roundcube to var leave library in same directory but roundcube dot backup. Hit enter. Sorry, not cd, move, mb move. Yeah, hit enter. Okay, cd var library, there should be 2 files now, roundcube and roundcube.bak. Yeah, there it is, roundcube.backup file. And next step, we need to download the updated version of roundcube. So okay, here https github.com roundcube mail. After that we need this complete one. Copy link location, is this correct? Yeah, this is the correct one. So here wget, hit enter. Yeah, it is downloaded. Now we need to extract the roundcube mail compressed file. So tar xzbf roundcube, yeah, this one, hit enter. Let's see the, yeah, this is extracted, that's fine. Rename or move this roundcube mail is 1.4.7 to the default name, which is roundcube only. So mb move roundcube mail, yeah, this one, to roundcube list. It is moved as roundcube to same directory. Now we need to fix some permission issue. So change owner recursive www data this is the group, to where var library roundcube and temp. Hit enter. Okay, that's fine. Now next step, we need to rename the config.inc.php sample file to config.inc.php. For that we need to go to the roundcube and config directory. Okay, there is config.inc.php.sample file, this file to config.inc.php file. So move mb config.inc.php.sample2 config.inc.php. Okay, yeah, that's fine, clear. We need to restart the services, so service Apache, this is the backend, so we need to restart the Apache to service. Restart, good. Next step, we need to find the database name, database password, like host name, port, everything. So cat etc roundcube jvn.db.php. Here it is, db username, db password, db name, db server, and port. Database type is MySQL. We need to write down somewhere this db username, password, and database type. So here, we need to provide this database username, password, database name, database server name to roundcube configuration file. So nano config.inc.php in this file. So here in this line, user password @server name and roundcube mail. Okay, so this should be db username, db pass, db server, and db name. So what is our, it is db user roundcube, that's fine. Password is this one and db name is roundcube. Okay, let's make some changes. Okay, and delete the mail section because of database name is roundcube only. Yeah, Control O, write out, enter, save, exit, Control X, exit. Service Apache 2, because of this is PHP file, so Apache 2 service needs to be restarted. Restart, fine. And next command, we need to hold the automatic update from repository. So apt mark hold roundcube. Okay, roundcube set on hold, so it will not get any automatic updates from the Ubuntu repository. Now go back to the webmail. Here it is. Okay, admin @sysmyadmin.com. What was the password when I send it? Yeah, this is the password, and here it is. I have both mail in inbox. Where is the sent item? Okay, here is the sent item. Yeah, both email in sent item also. And check the version. Yeah, roundcube webmail 1.4.7. okay, finally we have upgraded roundcube version to 1.4.7 in Festa.